Welcome back to DINO Hub. Today, I will demonstrate how to utilize different features of DINO Hub in one-to-one sales meeting situations. In the last video, we covered the factory tour, event page, and took a brief look at the product series pages. Today, we will focus on the product series pages to see how to make an efficient and inspiring presentation. So let's start. First, choose the category that your customer is interested in. Let's say your customer would like to learn more about DINO RXT series. Click here. On this page, you can find its key selling points with pictures and descriptions. Under here, in the video section, you can play various videos of RXT in action. As we know, video is a powerful tool for visualization, so we recommend that you take advantage of this content. At the bottom, we have a meeting calendar, which makes it convenient for you to schedule a meeting with us. Next, let's go and check out the RXT Basket. In order to get to the basket, click this icon. Yes, now we're in this basket. Once you are in the basket, you may want to explain the control panel, pointing out the joysticks or mentioning the two different basket size options. If you want to showcase the features in depth, you can find more information here. The last part we will cover today is features and optionals. Here you can find more information about the various options offered as well as standard features. If you need any more information, we have here the product data sheet, product brochure, options list, and outreach diagram. Before we end, I have one tip for you. If you want to download a package containing all of the images, you can find this under the media icon. This will save your time for your exhibition preparation. So far, we've discovered how you can maximize the benefits and showcase the features of DINO Hub to help your meetings and communication with your customers to be inspiring and efficient. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and please leave us feedback if you have any ideas for improvements here. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.